Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today I'm talking about something we've teased a little bit about on our Facebook page, and that's one-liners. Now, I'm not talking about my famous dad jokes, but what I am talking about is the National Flood Insurance Program policy. Have you ever looked at that policy and really paid attention to loan amount compared to coverage amount? You know, the National Flood Insurance Program currently, as we shoot this video, only offers residential coverage of $250,000. Now, it's important to understand commercial coverage is different. So what we're talking about here is residential coverage. So it's important to understand what happens if you have a $350,000 loan, but you only have $250,000 in coverage. Well, if you pay attention to this line, you as the property owner could be responsible for this difference in amount. Now, we've seen people that had to pay SBA Disaster Loans to cover this difference on a house they didn't even have anymore because it was a total loss. So it's really important that you understand that, hey, my bank's only making me take $250,000, but I got a $450,000 loan. I'm good. Are you though? Can you imagine paying $200,000 for something that you don't even have anymore? Pretty crazy, isn't it? Now, what's really important to understand though, this is where excess flood insurance comes into play, or maybe a private flood insurance policy on top of that. Very similar to gap insurance, where it can cover the difference. You know, where it can take you from that $250,000, maybe the $500,000 if you have a $500,000 loan. So it's really important to understand this one line on a National Flood Insurance Program policy. So maybe your bank's only requiring a certain amount. That doesn't mean you're necessarily off the hook. So if you've got questions about how to properly insure your property to make sure this doesn't happen to you, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.